Very good morning, everybody. My name is Dr.G.P.Sudhakar from Hyderabad, India. Right. In this specific video, we are going to learn about what are the different sectors of an economy. What are the different sectors of an economy? This will be interesting. Basically, in any economy, these sectors will be there. All developed economies, developing economies, or any economy, any country's national economy, these kind of sectors will be there. That is how economics categorized these sectors basically when it evolved as a discipline, right? What are the different sectors of an economy? We will see different sectors of an economy. Basically, when we say different sectors of an economy, first comes primary sector. Primary sector. Primary sector is also known as agricultural sector. Agricultural sector. Right. Second sector contributing to any economy is industrial sector, also known as secondary sector. Secondary sector, also known as industrial sector, also known as manufacturing sector, also known as manufacturing sector. This is the second sector contributing to economy of a country. And the third sector, basically, third sector is tertiary sector. Tertiary sector, also known as services sector, also known as services sector. I will give you an example and explain based on that what is the significance of three different sectors in an economy. And take, for example, take Indian economy. Take Indian economy. Any recent 2025 or 2024, let us say 2024, right? Indian economy. If you take, GDP is more than 4.3 trillion that time, 2024. 4.3 to 4.2 trillion was the GDP of India. So if it is so, in this, out of this 4.3 trillion GDP, basically first sector, agricultural sector contribution, next industrial sector, next services sector. Services, almost there were 50%, almost 50% is the services sector contribution. Services sector contribution. Agricultural sector, almost 17% is the agricultural sector contribution. Agricultural sector contribution 17%. Right. Right. Agricultural sector. Agree. Another remaining is the industrial sector. Remaining industrial sector. How much it comes to? 33%. Right. Like that, this is Indian economy. This is Indian economy. In 2024, out of 4.3 trillion, 17% was contributed by agricultural sector, 33% was contributed by industrial sector, and 50% of the economy was contributed by services sector. Right. That means primary sector 17%, 33% and 50%. This is how three different sectors contributed to Indian economy. Take any country, any US economy or German economy or any French economy, any developed economy also will have same kind of distribution among the three different sectors. But there is one theory according to research, it states that what is the characteristic of a growing economy? What is the characteristic of a growing economy? In a growing economy, this first sector, primary sector contribution should be going down, secondary sector contribution should be going up, and the tertiary sector contribution should be going up. This should be the characteristic of a growing economy. This should be the characteristic of a growing economy. That is, primary sector contribution should be going down, and remaining two sectors contribution to GDP should be growing up. That is, if an economy is exhibiting this specific characteristic, then we can say that it is a growing economy. Developed economies, basically last 4 decades, they have experienced this phenomena. So now developed economies, now their contribution hardly less than 10%. Primary sector contribution to their GDP is less than 10%. Less than 10%, sometimes 5%, 4%, like that agriculture sector or primary sector contribution to their GDP. That's what is the characteristic of a growing economy or a developing economy. Right. Now let's come back to our main area. That is the characteristic, important point. Right. Now come back to what are the different sectors of an economy. What are the different sectors of an economy? First one comes to primary sector. We discussed it, right? Also known as agricultural sector. Next one is secondary sector, also known as industrial sector or manufacturing sector. And third one is tertiary sector, also known as services sector. Right, that. So when we say in each of these sectors, different industries will be present. Different industries. Let us start with the agricultural sector first. So what would be the areas, verticals contributing to agricultural economy? Basically, farming is first. It comes first, farming. Next, irrigation economy, irrigation. Next comes horticulture. Horticulture. Horticulture is there, right? Similarly, fertilizer economy. Fertilizer economy. Next, pesticides, insecticides. Next comes seeds economy. That is, there are companies, seed companies are there. Cotton seeds and other seeds companies are there, right? So Monsanto kind of multinational corporations are working in this sector basically. Monsanto kind of multinational corporations, right? Pesticides, insecticides sector. Similarly, dairy industry. Next, forest-based industries. Forest products. Forest-based industries. Forest-based industries means tamarind will come. Tamarind, gums and these kind of products. That is herbal products will be there. They are all derived from forests, right? Dairy industry, all these things are part of primary sector or agricultural sector. Next, this fisheries is also there. Fisheries industry. Next, aquaculture industry. Aquaculture industry. Another one is aquaculture. Livestock industry. This is important. Livestock industry. India is having largest livestock in the world. Livestock industry, cattle. Some of the countries, they have tax on buffaloes and cows also. They have tax on animals. Some of the countries, right? That is also economy, part of economy. Livestock industry, this is a part of agricultural economy, right? So like that, these are all the different flowers. Flowers, that is also some of the flower manufacturers are there. Flowers, that is also there, another one. Like that, part of primary sector and agriculture sector. These are all agriculture based industries, right? This is about primary sector. Now come to secondary sector. Secondary sector is very important. It is known as manufacturing sector or industrial sector. That's what India is doing for the last 5 to 6 years. That is Make in India movement. Make in India movement. What is our objective in Make in India movement? Our objective is to increase the industrial sector contribution, manufacturing sector contribution, to increase to the GDP. GDP contribution, we want to increase manufacturing sector contribution to GDP. We want to increase. That is the main objective of Make in India movement. Make in India movement, right? And for that there are promotions as well. Promotions are being given, incentives are being given for some of the sectors. For example, electrical vehicles, there were some promotions and incentives were given like that in order to increase the manufacturing in the country, right? To increase the manufacturing sector contribution. So now, first when we say secondary sector or manufacturing sector, what all will come into picture? Core industries will come first. In anywhere, core industries. Core industries means what will be there? Steel industry, cement industry, steel, cement, sand, bricks, all these things will come into picture. Sand, bricks industry, all these things. Next one is oil industry, gas industry, utilities industry. Utilities means what all will come into picture? Power sector, water, oil, gas, all these things. Infrastructure. Next, construction industry. Similarly, in secondary sector and industrial manufacturing, automobile manufacturing. This also automobile manufacturing. Electrical component manufacturing. Auto component manufacturing. Like that, manufacturing industry, there are several industries, manufacturing industry. Right now, semiconductor industry is also coming. Semiconductor industry, right? Like that, all these are different areas contributing to the manufacturing sector of an economy. In any country's economy, all these things will be there, part of it, right? There will be some focus areas also based on the national priority. There will be some focus areas. Every 5-year plans, they will have some focus areas to develop, right? So based on the national need, that will be decided, right? So let's move on. The third sector is the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector, what is the part of it? Here also heavy engineering also will come into picture. Electrical, heavy engineering. There is also part of it. Industrial sector. When we say industrial sector, heavy engineering also will come into picture. Now come to tertiary sector or services sector. In the services sector, first what comes to our mind? Banking sector is services. Banking sector. Next, financial services. Financial services means equity, mutual funds, all these services. Equity services, mutual fund services, all that, financial services. Next comes insurance services. All this put together is known as BFSI sector. That means banking, financial services and insurance sector. Right, that is the services sector. Another one is IT services. This is also there, right, contributing significant to the economy of emerging economies, particularly emerging economies, right? Another one is IT services. Next, transportation services. This is a purely services industry basically. Transportation is purely the services industry. Next, tourism industry basically. Tourism, hospitality. This is a services sector, right? So next, logistics industry. This is also services. Logistics. logistics industry, auto services is there, that is also part of services. Mobile services industry, mobile services, mobile services industry. Like that, this is BPO, business process outsourcing, BPO, KPO services, KPO services. Next, recruitment services, recruitment services, knowledge processing services, recruitment data analytics services nowadays, data analytics services, data analytics services, consulting services, consulting services. Next, accounting services, basically accounting. This is a part of services sector. Accounting services. So many. Professional services, healthcare services, professional services, healthcare services. Next, professional services, professional services. Like that, under tertiary sector or the services sector, different areas are contributing to the economy, right? So, put together, all these things are contributing. Put together, all these things are contributing to the GDP of a country. Put together, all these things are contributing to the national economy or the GDP of a country, right? So this is about different sectors of economy, right? This is how the characteristic of growing economy is primary sector contribution will be reducing, and these two will be picking up further. It has to continue for another few decades so that GDP reaches to a maturity state, right? Like that is the different sectors of economy, right? Thank you everybody. Just see, focus couple of minutes.